we have this iPad A1474. A1474, yeah. And then that came for charging block problem. It says not charging something. So initial test we did on it. So the charging block physically is perfectly fine. It's not broken here. Pins are perfectly okay. Okay, and we disassemble the device. And I have removed the screws as well of the screen, and have not been into the board yet, but we also found out the battery is swollen. Battery is not ready in a good state, so we're gonna check the battery first and we're gonna see what else is faulty in this. Okay, so we have disassembled the device and took the battery out. You can tell that it's not really in a good state, the battery. So we have a replacement battery. I'm gonna try this and see that what does it do. Right, okay, so this iPad, we have removed the IC. That's the old IC and new IC both there. This is the old IC, and we are gonna put the new IC on is here. So hopefully that will make some sort of difference. If the underfill IC, it had some sort of glue on it, so we have removed that. I'm gonna put the new IC on and we're gonna see that if it's powered on or not. Okay, so we remove the IC, put a new IC on. Still no power, and still not showing anything, but what we noticed that it's heating up in this region now. It's like some sort of life is there, but it's still not very convincing. So we're gonna see maybe something is not right in this region, because that's heating up a lot when connect the new battery, new charger, and then probably some sort of shortage here. So I'm gonna have a look and then make a quick video. Right, so I think we have figured it out what is causing shortage, and there's one of the cap here that is beeping. And it looks disfigured as well, so maybe that is the one which is causing the issue. So I'm gonna remove that and I'm gonna check after that what is it doing. So removed it. And that component is off now, so we're gonna check on the board now. It's only on one side now. That side is not beeping. That side is beeping. This side is not beeping. So probably this was the culprit. So I'm gonna try and make a quick video. What I'm gonna put this here and check this capacitor. Maybe that capacitor is. This was the problem. It's a bit difficult for me to make a video with this. Let's check. Okay, maybe I can, because I'm holding with one hand the camera. That beeps. So that capacitor is beeping both side pins. That's why it was no power. So I'm gonna check now. What does it do? Okay, so we've connected the battery and LCD. Now we're gonna see that does it do anything. Connect the charger. And see if it's any sort of life. Yes. So that was a no power device, and it actually came for just a charging block, but we found out it's not a charging block. The battery was initially not out of shape as well, and then we figured out that charging IC was not good, so we replaced the charging IC. And then we found out after that this region had one of the cap which was short to ground, so we removed that, and now the device is powering on. So this device is almost done, and if you have any sort of device like this, okay, so do let us know and then we can do it for you. Cheers, thank you very much. Ta-da, bye bye.